What is going on, and welcome back to Seize the Adventure. In today's video, we are headed up to 11,000 feet to do some rooftop tent camping out of the Toyota 4Runner. We got into Breckenridge late Friday evening. Once we found a spot, we were really looking forward to some relaxation between the pines. We are using the iCamper SkyCamp 3.0 as well as my custom drawer system in the back of the Toyota 4Runner. Tacos were on the menu tonight with the special Chipotle lime sauce.
Just been sitting there.
If we are out in the mountains camping, we're probably making tacos. I'd say it's our go-to easy and delicious camp meal. And before you know it, the sun is set and it's time to get ready to climb up into the iCamper.
Or if you can't find them, you can just throw my bag up here. Here's the bag.
The next morning, we had plans to head down the mountain and do some stand-up paddleboarding at Dillon Reservoir. Before we head down the mountain, gotta have some coffee. This mountain pass overlooking Breckenridge was an absolute treat. There was wildflowers showing vibrant yellow and purple colors, a sea of green pine trees, and you could almost see just a little bit of snow up in the alpine above the tree line. It was nice being able to camp right outside of Breckenridge because it made heading to the reservoir in the morning so much easier. We ended up having some lunch, getting some good paddles in, getting knocked off the paddleboard by our dog a couple of times, and headed up back into the mountains for one more night of camping I appreciate you for tuning in to watch this video, and as always, we will see you in the next adventure.